In this video, I am going to solve a sample problem about moment of inertia. And your knowledge on this is very useful if you are solving stresses in beams, like bending stress or horizontal shear stress. And after solving this, using the conventional method, I'm going to introduce a calculator technique, para ma-check ang manual solution. Okay, let us start. Here's the problem. Find the moment of inertia with respect to the sinusoidal axis, no, Ix bar, for the region shown. So what we're going to do first is to locate the neutral axis. And since we are only, or we will only solve moment of inertia with respect to the sinusoidal x-axis, we'll only solve for y bar. Okay. So what we will do is we subdivide this area into three elements, no? So this one, cut a section here and also here. And make this one as our reference. Okay. Now, this is our element one. Element number two. And element number three. Okay. So, solving for area 1, we have 90 times 20. So, 90 times 20, it's 1,800 millimeter squared. For element 2, the area is this one, base 10 times height of 70. 10 times 70. So that's 700. And area 3 is this one, 50 times 20. That's 1,000. Oh, and i-add, the total area is equal to 18 plus 700 plus 1,000. It's 3,500. Okay. So after this, we solve for y bar. Okay. Solve for y bar. Either we construct a table or horizontal format lang, like this one. No? Area total y bar equals area 1 y1 area 1 y1 plus area 2 y2 plus area 3 y3. Varignon's theorem. So area total is 35 times y bar equals area 1 18. Okay. For element 1, the centroid is located here. So this will be our y1. And our y1 is equal to 20 plus 70 plus 1/2 of 20. So it's 20 plus 70 plus 10. So we have 20 plus 70 plus 10. 100. Okay. That's our Y1. So Y1 is 100. Area 2, 700. Okay. For element number 2, the centroid is located here. Center, no? And this is our Y2. Okay. Our Y2 is 20 plus this distance is 1/2 of 70. 70 over 2 plus 20. So it's 20 plus 1/2 of 70. 55. So our Y2 is 55. And then area 3, 1,000. For element 3, the center is located here. 1/2 of 20. So this is our Y3. And that's equal to 10. So 10 siya. And we can solve now for Y bar. So let's compute. Um, you can use Caltech if you want, like 3, 5, and then unknown alpha x equals 1/8 times 100 plus 700 times 55 plus 1,000 times 10. And then solve, if solve, you can assume any value of y. Let us say, or any value of x, sorry. Maybe the center is located here. So it's more than 55. We can assume 60. Para mas dali mo give og answer. So the answer is 65.3. Okay, 65.3. Or, or, pwede sad nga, dili tayo mag-run off like 28 kasi. Up to 4 decimal places lang. 2857 millimeters. This is from the bottom. Oh, okay. So, after y bar, we can now solve for the centroidal. So, it means na the neutral axis is located 65.2857 millimeters from the top. This is 55, so probably there. This is our neutral axis. Okay. And this is our y bar. Okay. Let us now solve for ix bar. Okay. We will use this one. Parallel axis theorem. I bar plus area d squared. This I bar is centroidal moment of inertia of any element. Okay. Because each element has its own centroid. Like for element 1, another yung centroid. So what's the moment of inertia of this element with respect sa ani na centroid? For element 2, dire. Element 3, dire. Okay. And ang I na to, I with respect sa neutral axis. This is our new axis, neutral axis. So, okay. INA or IX bar, same lang. Okay? Or simply X bar axis. Same lang na siya. Okay. Sige. Okay. Element by element. So we start with element 1. So element 1, okay. the centroidal moment of inertia of a rectangle, or shall we say the moment of inertia of a rectangle with respect to its centroid, is 1 over 12 BH cubed. For rectangles only, ah. Okay. So we will use this one for this uh, ano, for this step. 1 over 12. For element 1, the base is 90 and ang height is 20. So we have 90 times 20 cube plus area of 1,800. D is the distance between the centroidal axis of the element and the neutral axis. This one. This is our D1. The distance from this axis and this one. So this is our D1. Okay. So the value of this is actually 100 minus y bar. This one is 100 and this one is y bar. So 100 minus y bar. We have this one. 100 minus y bar. So okay. We can save this one to A. Okay. And so we have 100 minus A, 34.7143 squared. Oh. Area D squared. Okay. Plus element number 2. For element number 2, same formula. 1 over 12, 1 over 12, and the base is 10, the height is 70. So we have 10, 70 cube plus area. The area of element 2 is 700. Okay, and then D. Okay. D is the distance between the centroid of element 2 and the neutral axis. This one. That's D2, or simply, this distance is actually y bar. This is y bar minus y2, or 55. Y bar minus 55. Okay. And our y bar is A, man. Minus 55. We have this one. 10.2857 squared. No? And then last element number 3. The base is 50. The height is 20. So it's 1 over 12, 50, 20 cube. Plus the area, 1,000. Okay. The D is this. Distance of this centroid and the neutral axis. This one. This is our D. D3. And the value of this is y bar minus 10. 10 man eh. 20. So it's y bar minus 10. Okay, sige. Y bar, our y bar is A minus 10. So we have 55.2857 squared. So let's compute. Sige. 1 over 12 times 90 times 20 cube plus area 1834.7143 squared plus 1 over 12 10 times 70 cube plus 700 times 10.2857 squared plus 1 over 12. Okay. Pause. And then after that, i-add na to. Plus 1 over 12, 50 times 20 raised to 3 plus 1,055.2857 squared. Okay, the answer is 5,678,880.952 millimeters raised to 4. Okay, this is the answer using conventional method. Okay, now next is I'm going to introduce a Caltech. Okay, so what we will do is to use mode stat. Okay, mode. Here you have mode stat 3. And then one variable only. Okay, 1. Make sure na ang screen mo, ang mo appear sa screen is X and frequency. Now, sometimes what will appear is this. Only X column, no frequency. So if that's the case, what you will do is this. Para mo appear ang frequency, shift mode, look for stat. Wala. So you scroll down. Okay? Scroll down. Nice stat. 4. And then frequency on off. So i-on. So you press 1. Now, let me explain. Ang X sa calcu is equivalent sa Y there. Y distance. And ang frequency is equivalent to area. Okay. So, input na to ha. Sige. For element 1, ang iyang Y is 100. Element 2, it's 55. And then element 3, it's 10. Now, if you will have a hard time getting the value, pwede ra manual. Like this one, oh. Centroid, Y1. That's 20 plus 70 plus 1/2 of 20. Like this one, oh. Mode 3, 1. Okay. So, ang value is 20 plus 70 plus 1/2 of 20, 0.5 times 20. You have 100. Okay? You have 100. Next, element 2. That's 20 plus 1/2 of 70. So, 20 plus 1/2 of 70. 55. Oh, 55. And then for 3, it's 1/2 of 20. Okay. After this, move cursor sa right. Okay. Area 1. Instead of putting this one, pwede na 90 times 20. Calculate na lang ang mag-calculate. 1/8. This one, 10 times 70. And then this one, 50 times 20. You can use this one, 50 times 20 or parenthesis, the same. Okay. After this, again, let's check. Area total is equivalent to N. Bale, sa Caltech, ang frequency is area. Pero, okay. Let's proceed to ano. This is stato. Stat. Yellow, so we will use shift. So shift 1, var. Okay? For N. Okay. This is the area. 1. We have the 3, 5. Okay, we have 3, 5. Don't forget to clear, no? Easy again. Easy. Next. Okay na ni. Centroid. Okay. Okay, balik ka. Shift 1. Var yapon. 4. Na X bar, 2. This is the answer. 65.2857. So, store na to. Store. Pwede A, B, C, D, E, F, pero A na lang. Okay. So, okay na. Okay lang Y bar. Next, I. Sa I, yung nane. This one, input na to 1 by 1. Okay? So, ang I na to sa screen is yung like this one. This is the screen of your calculator. So, we'll input this one, and this one. And then, kining tuloy, i-add na to. It's actually summation of area d square. Di ba? Area d square, area d square. Pero ang d na to, we still have to solve for this. How? How do we solve for this? Okay. Let us go back to data. So, shift 1. There's the data 2. Okay. Kining mga distances there, we will replace this one. Alright, sige. 34 is actually 100 minus y bar. You will notice na for each distance, you have y bar, y bar, y bar, y bar. And ang 100 is y1. Ang 55 is y2. Ang 10 is y3. Therefore, we can generalize this one. We can generalize D ha. We can generalize D as y minus y bar. Pero, we put absolute value para positive. Now, sa calcio, it doesn't matter kung negative or positive because square man. So, positive lang hapon. So, y minus y bar. So, this one is y minus y bar. 100 minus y bar. This one. 55 minus y bar. 10 minus y bar. This one. So, 100 minus y bar. 55 minus y bar. Okay lang. Anyway, mga absolute value man ta. 10 minus y bar. Okay. So, okay. Ato ni i-apply dire. So, 100 mag-subtract tag y bar. And ang y bar is nakasave sa A, yo. So, we change this one to 100 minus A. Namo ng y bar dire. You will notice na ang value niya is 34, oh. 34.714. Next, 55. 55 minus y bar. Okay. Negative 10, okay lang. Kaya ma-square man na. And then the last is 10. So, 10 minus y bar. Oh, we have negative 55. Okay lang. Now, if we do summation, this will not appear sa calcio. So, ang D na to is a X man na. So, supposed to be is a summation of N X squared. Kaya ang D na to dire X man. No? Ang enda na to area. Pero, sa function sa calcio, invisible lang yan. We only have summation of x squared. Pero, remember, automatic na nakamultiply ang frequency na. Like this one, x squared. Nakamultiply na ang frequency na. Nakamultiply na ang frequency na 1/8. Okay. Sige. Clear ha? Clear. Sige. Let's input this one. No choice but to input this one. Now, ang fraction, ma-disable na eh. Ma-disable yung fraction. We cannot use 1/12. So, instead, mag-parenthesis ta. Like this one. Ano? Parenthesis. 1. Fraction. Muna yung mga appear. 12. Okay? 1/12. Close parenthesis. 1/12. Close parenthesis. Times 90. Okay? Times 20. Okay? Times 20. Pag press mo sa exponent, press this one, mo niya mga appear. Yung input 3. Okay. Nag-open ka, kaduha. Mag-close ka kaduha. 1, 2. Okay. Okay. Okay na ni. Plus this one. Okay. Plus 1/12. You do the same. 1/12 times 10 times 70 raised to 3. Kaduha nag-open, so twice pod mag-close. Plus this one. 1/12 times 50 times 20 raised to 3. Okay, that's it. And then this one. Summation of x squared lang. Naka-invisible lang kon. Okay, so where do we get this one? Okay. Plus, go back to stat. So, shift to 1, sum. Okay, summation man. Data sa sum, 3. And we have this one, x bar, 1. Pag press sa equal sign, that's it. It's 5,678,880.952. Okay. Yan ang Caltech. So, when you are going to take the board exam, you can apply this one. Like, given a figure, pwede ra nga, di na ka mag-write ani. Calculate tanan input. No need to write this one. Just remember 1/12 BH cubed for the centroidal, moment of inertia, and then this one. Summation of BH cubed. So, that's it. Oh. I hope na you have learned something from this video. Thank you for watching.